Meet CamCast. It turns your camera into a smart wireless studio, and it fits right in your pocket. First things first, grab your mobile devices, head to the App Store or Google Play and search for CamCast. Download the app to get started. Step 1. Slide CamCast onto your camera. You don't need any special tools, it just goes right in. Step 2. Plug in the HDMI cable. This gives CamCast its eyes, so it can see what your camera sees. Step 3. Power it up. Snap on an NPF battery or connect a USB-C power cable. Press and hold the power button for 5 seconds. Step 4. Connect your mobile device to the CamCast Wi-Fi. Just read the name and password on the little screen. Easy. Step 5. Open the CamCast app. Your mobile device is now a giant clear monitor. No more squinting. The best part, you can share the live video with up to 4 phones or tablets at the same time. Everyone stays in the loop. Want to live stream like a pro? Your phone gets a camera feed in crisp full HD 1080p. Go live with your favorite mobile streaming apps along with plugging in a USB-C cable to UVC port with pro image quality that beats any phone camera. Want to be the boss? Plug in a USB-C cable to PTP port, and you can use your finger to tap the screen to control focus, shutter, aperture, ISO, white balance, all from your phone. Setup is done in 60 seconds. Are you ready to shoot like a pro? Get your CamCast today?